Okay. And x is 2, x is 2, x is negative 2, x is negative 2, x is negative 2, x is negative 2. Plug it into this formula. F of x is negative 2, and plug it in right here. Negative 2 squared. Negative 2 squared, hold up real quick, is 4. Negative 2 squared is 4, negative 2 squared is 4, negative 2 squared is 4. And bring over to negative 5, bring over negative 5, bring over negative 5 equals negative 1, equals negative 1, equals negative 1. And negative 1 is our y, negative 1 is our y, negative 1 is our y. We use the x of negative 2, we use x of negative 2, we use x of negative 2 to get negative 1, to get negative 1, to get negative 1. Now I'm going to go faster. X is negative 1, plug in negative 1. Negative 1 squared is, hold up, 1, and then bring over to negative 5. 1 minus 5 equals negative 4, and negative 4 is our y. Negative 4 is our y. And negative 1 was our original x. Alright, so coordinates so far, coordinates so far, coordinates so far, these three. Sorry, these three, these three, these three. Okay, and it's super fast. Well, yeah, just saying 0, and f of x is 0. 0 squared is 0. Bring over negative 5. Negative 5. 0 minus 5 is negative 5. 0, negative 5. Okay, and next one, we're going to plug in f of x is 1. F of x is 1. 1 squared with the formula. 1 squared equals 1. Bring over negative 5. Negative 5. 1 minus 5 is negative 4. Negative 4 is our y, and 1 is our x. And 2, f of x equals 2. And now the formula, 2 squared is 4. And negative 5, bring over negative 5. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. 2 is our original x, and negative 1 is the y we got from using our original x. Alright, and 3, and y equals f of x of 3. We're going to use f of x equals 3. Okay, and 3 squared, we're going to use the formula, minus 5 equals 9. And bring over to negative 5. 9 minus 5 equals 4. And 4 is our y. And 3 is our original f of x. And now we have the formula graph, blah, blah, blah. Alright, let's start. Negative 3, 4. Alright. 0, 1, 2, 3. And positive 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 3, 4. Negative 3 is x, and positive 4 is y. Next one. Negative 2, negative 1. X is negative 2. Negative 2. Hold on. X is negative 2, x is negative 2, x is negative 2. Alright. 1, 2, bam, negative 2. 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 And y is negative 1, y is negative 1, y is negative 1. And right here is where the x is, where the x stops, and negative 1, bam, negative 1. And this is the intercept point right here. Intercept point, bam, intercept point, bam, intercept point, bam. And that's how we plotted that. And one more with repetition. Alright, x is negative 1, x is negative 1, x is negative 1. Alright, so negative 1, negative 1, negative 1, x is negative 1, x is negative 1, x is negative 1, and y is negative 4, y is negative 4, y is negative 4. So let's go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, bam. 1, 2, 3, 4, bam. 1, 2, 3, 4, bam. And negative 1, bam, bam, bam. Negative 4, bam, bam, bam. Intercept, bam, bam, bam. And that's our point. X is negative 4 and y... Wait, x is negative 1 and y is negative 4. Okay? Alright, and now next one pretty fast. 0, bam.